Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a property that is located in the upscale community of Primrose Hill in St. Anne. It is distributed over 3 stories with a total of 15,000 square feet. The land size is approximately 0.66 acres. The house boasts 12 bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom, plus 2 powder rooms. There are 2 well-equipped spacious kitchens. There is also a library and a TV room, a large dining room, and formal living rooms. A wet bar and the generous balcony spaces invites entertaining. There is a barbecue area outside. The grounds are well fruited with mango, apples, June plum, ackee, and others. Areas of the top floor are incomplete, allowing the new owner to install fixtures to their own taste in the bathrooms and the bedroom closets. As you would expect, the rooms are quite large. The house would suit a large family or an investor getting in on the short-term rental market. One of the best beaches in Jamaica, Puerto Seco in Discovery Bay, is nearby. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.2 million or Jamaican $184.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.